the Holystone HS720E, aka the runner-up best budget drone available on the market in 2023. This model offers solid construction, simple controls, and a set of included accessories. The Holystone HS720E is a surprisingly compact drone, folding down to a fairly small 173 by 104 by 56 millimeters. It's easy to hold and carry with one hand. Even with arms fully extended, it's still one of the smallest drones around. It feels solid and robust, giving you confidence that it won't completely fall apart in the event of a crash. And while it doesn't have a gimbal system for really smooth video, the camera is securely mounted to the drone's body. The battery fits into a compartment on the back with a quick release button for easy battery replacement. There's also a small micro SD card slot on the side for storing pictures sold separately. Extendable handles make the relatively small controller easier to hold when mounting your phone. A nice touch. Aside from the phone holder features, the controller is basically what you'd expect from a drone. There's a low-res LCD screen to display stats like signal quality and GPS status, along with dual joysticks to control the drone's movement, a dedicated return-to-home button, and camera controls on the right bumper. Both the phone and the controller connect to the drone via 5 GHz Wi-Fi with FPV video up to 500 meters. The controller will connect up to 1 kilometer away using its built-in antennas. Also, you can set preset flight plans through the app. Other automatic shooting modes are available, including a point of interest that'll rotate around a point of interest 10 meters away for a cool spiral shot and a follow me mode. Holystone provides 2 batteries in the package, which last 23 minutes each for a total of 46 minutes of flight, though you'll need to land the drone and change the battery halfway through. The good news is that if the battery dies, the drone will return to where it originally took off from, instead of just falling out of the sky. Conveniently, there's a dual charger in the box that allows you to connect both batteries at once. This model has 2 modes, one limited to 15 miles per hour and the other limited to 22 miles per hour. The former is good for controlled slow-speed shots, while the latter is great for